Hey everyone, welcome back to our show, where we learn English through real internet content.
Today, we're diving into the world of viral memes. Yes, those funny images and videos you see all over social media.
Memes aren't just jokes, they're also full of slang, idioms, and expressions that native speakers use online.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand how to decode memes and even use the language yourself.
What is a meme? Let's start simple. A meme is usually an image, video, or phrase that spreads online, often with humor.
Exactly. Memes are often short, visual, and rely on shared cultural knowledge.
For example, the famous distracted boyfriend meme shows a man looking at another woman while his girlfriend watches in shock.
People use this meme to joke about distractions or shifting interests in life.
Vocabulary 1, relatable. A word you'll see in almost every meme post is relatable.
Relatable means something you can personally identify with.
Example, that meme about waking up late is so relatable.
Memes work well because they capture experiences that many people understand.
Vocabulary 2, mood. Another popular meme word is mood.
It's used to show that something perfectly describes your feelings.
Example, you see a meme about eating pizza in bed and say, mood.
Basically, it's like saying, that's exactly how I feel right now.
Vocabulary 3, big mood. Sometimes you'll see big mood instead of just mood.
It's a stronger version, very relatable or extremely accurate.
A meme showing someone screaming at Monday morning, big mood.
Memes often exaggerate feelings for humor.
Vocabulary 4, sheesh. Some viral memes include the word sheesh.
Sheesh is an expression of surprise, disbelief, or amazement.
Example, sheesh, that test was impossible.
It became popular in memes with dramatic or funny images.
Vocabulary 5, cheugy. Another fun one.
Cheugy means trying too hard to be trendy but outdated or uncool.
Example, that font is so cheugy.
Memes often make fun of trends using this term.
Memes and internet culture. Many memes are built on internet culture. For example, how it started versus how it's going.
These show a change over time, usually humorously.
Or the "this is fine" dog meme, used when everything is chaotic but someone pretends it's okay.
That meme is used in conversations about stressful situations, and it's extremely popular online.
Internet expressions. Some other common expressions in memes. No cap means no lie or seriously. Yeet, to throw something or express excitement. F, paying respect, from the press F to pay respect meme.
Example, I just dropped my ice cream. F.
Memes turn these expressions into jokes so they spread quickly.
Slang in context. Let's combine some of these words into a meme context. Imagine a meme showing a person working late while their friends are partying. Comment 1, mood. Comment 2, big mood. Comment 3, sheesh, this is too real.
See, now you understand the slang and how it's used in context. Simple English tip.
Tip: when you see a meme, try to describe it in simple English.
For example, the meme shows someone working late. It's relatable because many people stay up late for work or school.
This will help you practice comprehension and new vocabulary.
Lesson wrap-up. So today we learned English from memes. Relatable, mood, big mood, sheesh, cheugy, no cap, yeet, and F.
Memes are a fun way to learn informal English and see how native speakers express feelings online.
Next time you scroll through social media, try reading memes carefully and identifying new vocabulary.
Outro. Thanks for listening. Follow us for more episodes where we explain English from internet culture.
Next episode, we'll break down viral TikTok fights. Lots of slang, drama, and laughs.
See you next time. Keep learning, laughing, and scrolling.
Memes aren't just funny, they're English practice.